Making sodium, potassium, and ammonium salts. We have some salts that are not made in the methods that we've learned before. So we need another way in order to make sodium, potassium, and ammonium salts. This is usually done using titration. I'll be talking about it soon. So through titration, we'll be making sodium sulfate crystals, making sodium chloride crystals, as well as making ammonium sulfate crystals. So what is titration and why is it important? We'll discuss it in the next video on page 84 and 85, making sodium, potassium, and ammonium salts.